What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G80J / Legendary JTV. And as y'all can see by the title on the thumbnail, yes, I am getting rid of the Green Goblin today. It's not something I want to do, or it's not something I planned on doing, but it's a lot of reasons behind this shit. And I already got a car picked out and shit, so BMW just called me and told me that it's ready. But no more G80, no more G80Js. Y'all gonna see what I'm getting though. Y'all gonna fuck with it. Yeah, YouTube, the G80 is leaving us today, man. This shit will be missed. I'm gonna get my last little drive out of this shit though. I'm about to go spin this bitch somewhere, so I'll catch y'all when I'm on the road. Yeah. Yeah, bro. There's a lot of reasons why I'm getting rid of this shit. Like a real M was never really my dream BMW, but I just wanted to fuck the game up real quick, and I just got this shit, and I said fuck it. But I had this shit for like 5-6 months. This car did what it's supposed to do. You know, now it's time to go like more subtle, but not too subtle. So I'm about to get my last which way am I going?
Sure.
No?
Yeah.
So I'm about to get my last drive out this shit, have some fun with it before I drop it off. Cause this shit is a fun ass car. And me driving away, leaving this shit is gonna be heartbreaking. Like, cause I really do love this car, man. Everybody loves this car. Like this shit, where I live at right now in New York, is probably the best car around town. But damn, I still can't believe I'm doing this shit. But what I'm getting, I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm getting yet. I don't even know if I want to show y'all yet. I want y'all like to guess. When I go pick it up, I'm not gonna show the car, but I'm gonna show like the interior and shit, and see if y'all could guess in the comments and tell me what y'all think it is. Just know that it's purple. It's a coupe. That's all I'm saying. It's purple and it's a coupe. Fucking. This is a 2023. That car is a 2022.
Purple might give it away. You should never say purple.
You think so?
Yeah, well, fuck it. You already said it.
This mad purple cars though. I said purple M3s, there's purple M4s and shit.
Yeah.
Which way?
Ready?
Right now, I'm currently trying to find somewhere to spin this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, but I think they got cameras. I don't see no cameras. Alright, it's perfectly. It's looking nice spot right here. I ain't gonna lie.
You got it.
I don't want niggas to snitch on me. Oh, nigga, I'm like, is that green car over there in the Dutchess parking lot?
I mean, you could do it real quick, but cops be coming quick as fuck. Yeah, bro, don't do it. You know what I'm coming with?
Oh, no.
Bro, yeah, fuck it, bro. Don't do it.
Where else is an open parking lot at?
Yeah, I don't want to say Burger King. Hope this out too.
Cause I'm not giving this car back. You know, look where you're recording.
I am recording.
I'm not giving this shit back unless I spin this bitch. I ain't never spin it. I always did like standstills and shit. And they getting this shit with brand new tires. I'm about to wear these bitches down. I wonder if I should go down by ripping that circle. Yeah. Some nice clips for y'all niggas. I'm about to spin the fuck out. You just gonna spin it too? You might spin it and break the shit. This nigga might spin it and break this shit.
No, nigga. I'm not spinning it fast. I'm spinning it slow.
Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna start the video back up when I get to the spot. See ya.
Start.
Alright. Alright, tubey tube. What the fuck is this thing doing? About to be. I ain't gonna lie. One thing about these M3s though, boy. These shits break necks, boy. These shits break fucking necks. I'ma miss the attention though, but I'm not. That's one reason why I'm getting. What the fuck? Where the cops at? This nigga always out here early morning, every day.
You drunk right now? You drink? You drinking Henny?
Fucking. That's one reason why I'm getting rid of the Green Goblin chat. It's too much fucking attention, chat. Like that ass. It's like this shit is a bright ass green car. Like you can see me from a fucking mile away. It could be 100. It could be 100 cars, 200 cars, and I'm in that group, and you can still see me from fucking like that shit. I mean, it's cool and shit. The car is super tough, but can't do that shit no more. But what I'm getting though is gonna create some good content, cause I'm gonna build the fuck out that shit. Content gotta keep going. And the fucking intakes is just so disgusting, bro. Oh my. I'm so mad I didn't get the downpipe and tune this shit.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a big enough space.
Yeah, but still, you know what? I don't know if you want to do it.
Alright, chat. We done found the spot to spin this bitch. I'm about to spin the fuck out of this shit.
Nigga, you do it too fast. You got a brake boost. You doing the other shit.
What?
Try a brake boost, bro. You can't go so fast. Like, you play with the brakes. Move. Remember, come on to your brake boots, bro. Lose your brakes. Ah, man. See, it's better, right?
That was good?
You use your brake? You don't use your brake?
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you.
I had like both foot on. You wanna do it? Nah, you can't. Right.
Nigga, come on, nigga.
Alright, chat. This nigga Pete about to try to spin this shit. Let's see if this nigga got what it takes. This shit is dirty as fuck. I ain't cleaned it in so long.
Ready?
Yeah. This shit is so dirty. Turn. Turn that way. I think it's scared.
Fuck that. She tight. Oh my God, she might call the cops.
Oh, she's bad. She drove off. No, nobody told her to be sitting down here with no tints in the fucking hot ass sun.
Fuck that.
Niggas probably kicked a mad dirt on her shit.
Fuck that shit, bro.
That shit crazy though.
Yeah, I can't. That's too fast.
I'll be trying with you in the car.
Nah, bro, do it.
Nah, I was holding it for a minute though. That was fire.
Let it go.
Yo, bro, I'm about to turn into a drifter, nigga. Get out of here before the cops come lock my dumb ass up. They already don't like me. That's the first time this car ever got beat on so hard, bro. What the fuck? About to pull up to the dealership smelling like have a smoke. The tires is sticky as shit. Like the tires this shit got on some sticky ass tires.
Wait, this?
Yeah. Like right now it's hella dirt on this shit.
But nigga, it's the good time to with that grip. I know that shit grip right now.
You sitting on my neck.
Oh.
Alright, Chad, we on our way to the dealership now. I don't know if I want to show y'all the car. I'll probably show the car at the end of the video and say fuck it.
God, that would have been some good money right there.
Yo, bro, fucking retard, bro. Niggas trying to take Green Goblin out before I even get rid of this shit. What the fuck? This is what I'm saying, YouTube. This fucking car is too fun, and I don't think I'm gonna ever get the experience from another car like this car gave me, bro. Like me and my friends always dreamt about like driving M3s and shit, and I was the first one with it, and everybody got to drive this shit. So it's like everybody got to drive their dream car. So it's like, man. Chat niggas just put him to the dealership. Should I show him the car?
Fuck it. Or you could do it for the next video. Do it for the next video.
That's what I was planning on doing.
Yeah. You could end this video right here and start some next shit. End the video right this up and start some next one. Like if you add a day.
I probably should show him when I'm getting the tints or some shit, right?
Nah, do it at a whole separate video. Just to give them a tease. Oh, that's some next green shit over there.
Oh, shit. Nigga, earlier I was driving past, nigga, I seen a fucking Rat X6. That shit was crazy. That shit tough, though.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube, we at the dealership. Fucking, I'm about to see what they talking about with this new car. Fucking, I might and might not leave with the new car, but if I do, I'm gonna give y'all a little tease of the interior and shit, so y'all could guess in the comments what car it is. But the next video I'm dropping, I'm probably gonna drop another video within like the next two or 3 days and show y'all the car. I gotta hurry up and get that shit tinted if I do go home with it today. But yeah, as of right now, see y'all when I get in the new car.
That video.
Alright, YouTube. So we got the new car. Fucking, y'all take a. Oh wait, let's see if you can see this shit. Y'all take a look into the car and let y'all put in the comments what car y'all think this is. It's a coupe and it's purple. I'm gonna show y'all the car in a separate video.
One.
So with that being said, I'm wrapping up this video. It's not the G80, it's not the M3, so it's like damn, but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun build. I got a lot of shit I wanna do to this car. I'm about to do mad shit to this shit. Might even go single turbo, I don't know yet. But when y'all see it, I feel like when y'all see this car, y'all gonna like it. It's not a bad car. That shit is super tough. And this is more my speed. Like, I can't do bright green no more. But fuck it though. With that being said, that's the end of this video. Catch y'all in the next one.